Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the left bar you can find the fourth button, the feedback. Click that, and here you can select the feedback type, you can type the problem, and you can upload images to that. If you finish, just click to the submit option and type your email too, and if you finish, click the submit button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.